In this video, we're breaking down the best eSIM options for global connectivity in 2024, comparing Ubigi and Globalesim. If you're new to yeSIMs, they're a digital alternative to physical SIM cards, allowing you to switch between carriers easily. Ubigi is known for its extensive coverage in over 190 countries and flexible data packages, making it a solid choice for travelers. On the other hand, Globalesim offers diverse global plans at competitive rates, ideal for those looking for affordable options. But if you're a heavy data user looking for unlimited access without restrictions, consider yesim with unlimited data packages. yesim stands out with its simple setup, unlimited internet, and a range of standard plans. It's perfect for anyone who needs to stay connected, no matter where they are. We'll explore coverage, pricing, and ease of use to find the best eSIM provider for your needs. If you want flexibility and cost-effectiveness, both Ubigi and Globalesim offer great solutions. However, yesim's unlimited data plan is a game-changer for seamless global connectivity. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let's dive in.